Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am making a very quick dinner as requested by my son, and I have this idea of a chicken and egg noodles that I want to make. I've got some chicken thighs and I've got lots of eggs as always, so I'm going to prepare this dinner and thought I'll share the recipe with you. Before I start cooking, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on any recipes. Right, I'm just going to use some handful of vegetables, prep the chicken with the egg, and then get cooking. So I'm going to quickly prepare the egg mixture first. So just a couple of eggs go in. I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili oil. You can choose any of your choice, of your liking, what you have at home. Then I've got half a teaspoon of salt and a good pinch of black pepper. I'm adding just a teaspoon of light soya sauce in here as well, very light, and I'm just going to whisk this up. You can use dark soya sauce if you like, but add a teaspoon. Put this aside, and I have got here some chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. So I'm cooking for 4 people and I've got 6 chicken thighs, or maybe did I buy 6? No, I bought 8 because they're not too big. That's 2 thighs per person. And like always, I'm going to tidy up the thighs. I'm going to get rid of all the fat, extra fat, and then just chop it into small bite-sized pieces, like 1.5 inches maybe. So yeah, bite-sized pieces. So chicken's all done. I'm going to add it to the egg mix. I'm going to get a pan nice and hot. I'm going to start cooking this. So nice hot pan, and in goes a little bit, 2 to 3 tablespoons of, I'm just using sunflower oil, and I'm gonna get this hot. Then add the chicken. I'm just gonna cook this in a whole one big batch. If your pan is small, you can do it in 2 batches. Just do it on high heat for 6 to 7 minutes until the chicken is cooked. And while that is cooking, I'm just going to quickly chop 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. And I've just turned it over. I'm going to thinly slice a couple of onions. Right, as you can see that the chicken is all done, looking lovely, smells great. I'm going to get this out in a bowl, and I'm not going to wash the pan. I'm going to cook the onions and garlic in that lovely residue of the chicken. So the chicken is resting in this pan, and I'm not going to wash it, and that's why the chicken is cooked first, so it leaves all this lovely flavor behind. Just going to get a couple of tablespoons of oil, the same oil, and get some onions in. Just want them to soften out. And I'm also going to throw in the chopped up garlic cloves and just let this cook together for 5 minutes. And in the time that is cooking, I've got a pan of boiling water here, and I'm just going to add some medium egg noodles. So like I said, it's for 4 people. I'm going to add 4 nests of medium egg noodles. Just cook it as the packet says, because obviously we're using ready. So I'm going to put it on the hob, cook it for 5 minutes because that's what the packet says. So the onions are done, but my noodles are not yet done. So I'm going to add the chicken. And going to add the sauces. So the noodles are done. Only took 5 minutes. I'm going to drain the water out. So I've drained them. Now I'm just going to add a splash of sesame seed oil to add that flavor to it, and then toss it up and then add it to the chicken. I know what you might think, that it looks like a lot of chicken for the noodles, but we prefer more chicken than noodles. So yes, you can reduce the quantity of the chicken. I know I haven't added any sauces. Give me 1 second. I basically need to take out 1 portion of noodles for non-soya sauce eating person, and I'm going to add the sauces to the rest of the bowl. Now goes in everything. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Salt to taste. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon. Some more chili oil to taste. Just 2 teaspoons of soya sauce goes in as well. And a tablespoon, actually 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce goes in as well. Okay, and all that's left to do is mix it all up. Oh, amazing. Smells so good. Okay guys, dinner's ready. I topped it up with some homemade chili oil, the recipe of which is on the channel, so you can check it out. Smells so good, and I'm starving. I know it's all very beige. You can add some spring onions, but for me it's not important that I have lots of color in it. It smells incredible. And these eggs, I've tried a new egg noodles and they look very nice. I'm going in. Boy, it's good. That is delicious. My boy's going to be very happy. Superb, and ready in minutes. They're healthy. You add less noodles, more chicken. Delicious store cupboard ingredients. Hope you're going to try it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you back for another new recipe. I'm going to sit and have some dinner. Bye for now.